Quail Log April 22nd, 2026. So tonight I came down to find the water tank up here was complete down to the very bottom of the inlet feed, and there was no water inside of the trays inside of here. So you can see everyone's crowding around now and drinking now that I've got more water in there. It looks like over the day at some point, no, stay in. You're not leaving yet. They had drained the entire water tank down into inside of the manure tray. So if we can keep everyone in here and just get better views on everyone. So I had to clean in their manure tray up. Hi, you're really getting up close with the camera. So hopefully that we can get a good view on everyone. As I said, everyone's kind of crowded around the water since I don't know how much of the day they were without water, but we've got water flowing again. Hopefully they don't run it out of water again before I get a check on them tomorrow night. So we'll see how that works. Had this happen several times where they just sit there and pound on the water until it overflows and just keep pounding on it until it fills up the manure tray. So it's something I've dealt with before and will definitely deal with again. Hopefully I've moved it up, I think, a little more so that they have to reach into there to drink right now. And hopefully that will keep them from running it out of water, but we'll wait and see. So that's where we're at for tonight. Good night.